Climb inside the 2011 Toyota Tacoma. This four-door, five-passenger truck provides exceptional value. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a 4-liter six-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, a rear step bumper, skid plates, and power windows. Toyota ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and ABS brakes. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. We are here to help you.